Hey everyone, welcome back to Nutrient Nexus. Today, we're diving into winter superfoods, seasonal ingredients to look for in November to keep your health on track. From immune-boosting nutrients to mood-enhancing vitamins, we're covering all the benefits these cold weather foods bring. First up, let's talk about sweet potatoes. These are more than just a Thanksgiving staple. They're packed with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A, which is great for eye health and immune support. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber, which helps keep us fuller longer and supports gut health. Try roasting them with a little olive oil, rosemary, and garlic for a cozy side dish, or toss them into a soup for added warmth and nutrition. Next up, Brussels sprouts. Love them or hate them, these mini cabbages are loaded with vitamin C, perfect for boosting immunity in the colder months. They're also rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. My favorite way to prepare them? Just sauté with a bit of balsamic vinegar and honey for a sweet and tangy twist. Now let's talk pomegranates. These jewel-toned fruits are not only gorgeous but also high in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which help protect your cells from damage. Pomegranate seeds add a pop of flavor to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Plus, they're known for their heart-healthy benefits and can help reduce inflammation. If you're looking for a quick snack, try sprinkling a handful of seeds on a bowl of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. And last but not least, kale. This leafy green is packed with vitamins K, C, and A plus calcium, which is great for bone health. It's also high in fiber and low in calories, making it a fantastic base for winter salads or a simple green side dish. Massaging kale with olive oil helps break down its tough fibers and brings out a softer texture. Add roasted nuts and cranberries for a delicious, nutrient-dense winter salad. So there you have it, your November guide to winter superfoods. These nutrient-packed foods can help keep you feeling energized, boost your immune system, and bring some seasonal color to your meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes. Leave a comment below on how you plan to use these winter superfoods. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.